Creating a landing page with Systeme.io is simple and effective. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up or log in. Go to Systeme.io and create a free account if you don't have one. Log into your dashboard after registration. Create a new funnel. On the dashboard, click on Funnels in the top menu. Select Create and name your funnel. Choose the goal. Select a landing page template. Browse through the pre-designed landing page templates. Choose a template that suits your offer and click Select to start editing. Customize your landing page. Use the drag and drop editor to customize text, images, videos, and forms. Add headlines, CTA buttons, and opt-in forms to capture visitor information. Personalize colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Set up form and automation. Ensure your opt-in form collects email addresses and connects to your email list. Add automations like welcome emails or follow-ups. Publish your landing page. Click Save and then Publish to make your landing page live. Share your landing page URL to start collecting leads.